If you've ever opened Cash App and wondered how to unlock the Bitcoin wallet, stick with me, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. No fluff, just clear and simple instructions so you can start buying, selling, and sending Bitcoin today. First, let's cover the quick requirements so you don't hit any roadblocks. You must be at least 18 years old. No underage Bitcoin adventures here. Then, make sure your Cash App is fully set up and verified, meaning your phone or email is confirmed and a bank account or debit card is linked. Update the app to the latest version so the Bitcoin tab actually shows up. And finally, be ready for a short identity verification process. This is just like KYC that banks use. Cash App will ask for your full name, date of birth, last 4 digits of your SSN or BVN, a clear photo of a government-issued ID, and sometimes even a quick selfie. It sounds like a lot, but it usually takes only a few minutes, and once approved, you're good to go. Now for the step-by-step guide. Step 1, open your Cash App and sign in. Step 2, tap on the Bitcoin tab. You'll find it at the bottom of the screen or inside the investing section next to stocks. Step 3, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Submit your details, upload the ID, and wait for confirmation. Most people get verified within minutes, but it can take a few hours, so be patient. Step 4, once verification is done, scroll down in the Bitcoin section and tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. Follow the prompts, confirm your PIN if asked, and that's it. Your unique Bitcoin wallet address will appear. That means you can now send, receive, buy, or sell Bitcoin directly inside Cash App. And there you have it. You just unlocked the Bitcoin wallet on Cash App like a pro. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and check the description for more helpful crypto resources and links.